Welcome to AMS. Today we are going to solve a question, and the question is, if 72 is to power x, 48 is to power y equal to 6 is to power xy, where the xy are the non-zero rational number, then find the value of x plus y. It means that our targeted question is to find the value of x plus 6y, and for this value, or in order to find this value, first we will solve this equation and we will find the value of x and y. Then we will insert the value of x and y inside this equation and we will get the value of x plus 6y. So in order to solve this condition or this equation, first we will break the value of 72 into the factor, 48 into the factor, and 6 into the factor. And after factoring these values, we will get, when we factorize 72 into x into 9 is to power 8, and we factorize 48 is in 16 into 3 is to power y, and this 6 is in 3 into power 2, 3 into 2 is to power x and y. Now we will convert these values into the power. How? You can see that this 8 can be written as 2 is to power 3 and this 9 can be written as 3 is to power 2. X is same as before in power. 16 can be written as 2 is to power 4 and 3 is same as before, and y in power is same as before. 3 into 2 is to power xy is same as before. Now here we apply the basic rule of algebra. If when two values are in multiplication and have the whole power same, it can be applied individual on both this power. So here we apply x with both this value in power, and we will get 2 is to power 3x into 3 is to power 2x after applying this x in power with both these values. And now we apply this y with both these values in power, and we will get 2 is to power 4y into 3 is to power y, and this xy will multiply in power with both these values and we will get 3 is to power xy into 2 is to power xy. Now here we apply another rule or another basic rule of algebra. If the bases are equal, then their power will add together. So here we apply on the left side of the equation this basic rule of algebra, and we will get, after applying this rule, we can see that this 2 and this 2 have the same base, then their power will add together and we will get 3x plus 4y in power. This 3 and this 3 have the same base. So when we apply the basic rule of algebra, add these values, we will get 3 to power 2x plus y, and this value is same as before. Now we will apply another basic rule of algebra over here, and which is, when the bases are equal, then their power will also equal. So first we compare these two values, because we know very well these bases are same, then it means that here power is also equal. And after comparing these, or after applying this rule, we will get 3x plus 4y is equals to xy. I am representing this as equation number 1. Now as we can see that this 3x 3 is to power 2x plus y equal to 3 is to power xy, both bases are same. So here we apply again this basic rule of algebra. If the bases are equal, then their power will also equal, and after comparing both this value, we will get 2x plus y equal to xy, and I am representing this equation as equation number 2. Now our target is to two equation number 1 and equation number 2 solving simultaneously and get the value of x and y. So in order to solve both this equation, we will subtract equation number 2 from equation number 1, and after subtracting both this equation, we will get this xy and this xy will cancel out, and we will get the final result as x plus 3y equal to 0, because when this 2 will be subtracted from this 3x, we will get x as a positive value, and when this y will be subtracted from this 4y, we will get plus 3y, and after subtracting both this value, 0 will be the remainder. Now this 3y, which is a positive 3y, will move to the other side of the equation and it will convert in minus 3y. And I am representing this equation as equation number 3. Now, I will put this value, or I will replace the value of x from minus 3y inside the equation number 1. And after replacing the value of x with this minus 3y, I will get 3 into minus 3y, because I replaced the value of x from minus 3y, and plus 4y is same as before, and here I also apply or replace the value of x from minus 3y and into y same as before. Now I will simplify this equation or this condition, and I will get 3y square minus 5y equal to 0, right? Because 3 into 3 is 9, which is the minus 9. When this minus 9 will add in 4y, and I will get minus 5y. And this 3 minus 3 and y into y is a y square. It will move to the other side of equation and it will convert in positive 3y square. And equal to 0 will be the remainder. Now I will take common y from this expression, and I will get 3y minus 5 equal to 0 will be a remainder. Now I will take common 3y minus 5 equal to 0 and y equal to 0. And now after simplifying this condition, I will get the value of y as 5 upon 3, because this 5 will move to the other side of equation and convert to positive 5, and this 3 will go in division with this 5 value. So the value of y after simplifying this condition will be y equal to 5 upon 3. Now I will put these value of y one by one inside the equation number 3 and get the value of x. So when I first put the value of y 5 upon 3 inside this equation number 3, then I will get x is equal to minus 3, same as equation number 3, but this 5 will be replaced from this 5 over 3. And this 3 and this 3 will cancel out, and x will be equal to minus 5. Now this I will put, okay, now the coordinate of these x and y I will get as minus 5 comma 5 upon 3. This is the value of x and this is the value of y. Okay, now I will put the value of y inside the equation number 3, and when y will multiply this minus 3, I will get x equal to 0. So then our next coordinate for x and y is 0 comma 0. So here we get the two coordinates. First is minus 5 over 3, which is the value of x and y, and second is 0 comma 0, which is again a value of x and y. Now one by one I put the value of x and y inside this equation and get the value of this expression. So for x plus 6y, first I put x and y value 0 comma 0 inside the equation of x plus 6y. So when we put the value of x as 0 and y is 0, or replace the both values with 0 inside this equation, we will get the value of this expression as 0. Now for x plus 6y, we will put the next value of x and y as minus 5 comma 5 over 3. And after putting these values inside this expression, we replace x with minus 5 plus 6 is same as before, and y with this 5 over 3. And this 3 and this 3 is cancelled out. 3 1 the 3 and 3 2 the 6, 2 5 the 10. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Then we will get the value of this expression after simplifying is 5. So here we get the two values for this expression. First, when we put the value of 0 comma 0, we get the value for this expression 0, and then second value when we put the value of x and y is minus 5 comma 5 over 3, we get the value of this expression as 5. I hope this video is very useful to all of you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.